at 5:30 and 6. I hope you'll join us then.
This is Divorce Court, presided over by Judge William Keene. In the case we'll be seeing today, Brian Winslow is suing Sally Winslow, his wife of 6 years, for divorce on the grounds of adultery and mental cruelty. Mrs. Winslow is countersuing on the same grounds, and both are seeking custody of their 6-year-old daughter, Cassie. The trial began 4 days ago.
She acted as if she loved sex, but that was just it, an act.
I can't take it. I just want it stopped now.
Do you know
Over.
what you're saying?
Lee, please.
Please, what? You were sleeping with my boyfriend.
She said we were only human and we wouldn't be hurting anybody. And then she started to unbutton my pants. And then we began to have sex.
I had no money, no home. I didn't know what to do.
I realized that I had fallen in love with Brian.
How can you forget that Brian asked you for a divorce so that he could marry her?
Maybe he just said that to hurt me.
Sally just grabbed her and screamed at me. She said, "You've already taken my husband. Isn't that enough for you?"
Judge Keene is conferring with the court clerk and the bailiff and is about to speak with Kay McGuire, Mrs. Winslow's mother.
What happened last night, Brian? Did Lee come home?
No, I haven't heard a word. Clarence, Sally called me last night. We talked about everything. This may sound foolish, but there was something in her voice that I missed hearing. I really missed it. This may sound weird, but I know she may still hate me, but I'd like to try. There may be a chance.
Susan, could you come over here for a minute, please?
Sure, what's up? Did you find Lee?
No, not yet. Where's Mrs. Winslow?
She's in chambers with her mother waiting for Judge Keene. Why?
Mr. Winslow thinks we need to all sit down with Judge Keene and have a talk.
About?
A reconciliation.
Mom, try to relax. Judge Keene will be in any minute.
What about the child? Where did that woman take her?
Oh, that was your nurse, Miss Evans, and she took Cassie to school, and she'll be right back
Well,
for
I
you.
know that. I just forgot for a minute. You don't have to explain everything to me. Where's mine?
Oh, Mom, you didn't bring your purse.
Well, don't argue with me. Of course I did.
Oh, I'm sorry. You must have left it in the car.
Well, go out and get it.
Well, I can't because Miss Evans has taken the car.
I didn't mean now. Why are you trying to confuse me?
Mrs. Winslow, this must be Mrs. McGuire. How are you? I'm very, very glad to know you.
Mom, this is Judge Keene.
I
He's the
know
man
who he is. Please, Sally, give me a chance. I'm not Cassie, you know.
Your Honor, would you like me to stay while you...
No, it won't be necessary, and by stipulation, we're going to put all of this on the record, and both attorneys are going to be present. So will you go back in the courtroom, and don't worry, your mother and I are going to get along just fine.
Yes, I can speak for myself.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Don't get lost. Thank you. I used to have a very good sense of laughter. It helps sometimes, don't you think?
Absolutely.
I make most people nervous, but you're not, are you?
Oh, you're a very lovely lady, and you put me very much at ease.
I think you're just too much of a gentleman to say. But you really want to ask me about Cassie, don't you?
You're very direct, and you get right to the point. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
That's fine, but I may not know the answers.
Well, I can understand that, and don't worry. There's nothing that we're going to say here that is going to harm your family or harm you in any way. Now, do you remember the day of this fire at the house?
No, I don't remember doing it, and I don't remember any of it.
Well, now, no one, Mrs. McGuire, is blaming you for anything, and the fire didn't cause the problems with your daughter and her husband, and certainly neither did you.
But if I'd stayed away, they were happy before me. I can remember so many good things, but I just don't remember all the bad things they told me I did.
Well, you know, a lot of people would be much happier if they just remembered the good things and forget the bad things. I've got one more question that I want to ask you. Is that all right?
Yes.
Did she ever leave you alone with Cassie in the house?
Yes. And Sally was not happy about that. But I don't think the girl did any harm. I mean, I just think she didn't understand.
Why is that, Mrs. McGuire?
Oh, and neither did Sally. But she does now. Yes, we saw a beautiful place yesterday. Sally liked it, too. I'm going to live there. Did she tell you that?
No, she hasn't yet.
Oh, she will. I'm very happy about it.
Oh, I'm glad.
May I go now? My nurse has been waiting for days.
Just a minute. All right. Thank you very, very much for coming. I enjoyed talking to you, and I appreciate your taking the time to talk to me.
It's nice to meet you.
Your Honor, Mr. Winslow would like to speak with you and Mrs. Winslow in chambers, if that would be appropriate.
What about Lee Winslow? Is she here now?
No, not yet. We're still trying, Your Honor.
All right. Well, while we're waiting, get your clients in here, and we'll talk.
Yes, we'll be right back.
While Judge Keene talks with Mr. and Mrs. Winslow, we have time for a break.
This is chicken number 2009. Please, send me a new way to make it.
Kraft introduces new Chicken Applause dinners. 4 easy ways to make your chicken, like barbecue chicken and scalloped potatoes. You add the chicken, Kraft provides its own thick and spicy barbecue sauce, scalloped potatoes, and a blend of perfect seasonings.
Barbecue chicken. Yay, Mom.
I haven't heard that about my chicken in years.
New chicken, applause from Kraft.
Bring on chicken number 2010.
Swimming pools are hard to keep clean. That's why they add chlorine bleach. Toilets are hard to keep clean, too. That's why I use chlorine in my 2000 flushes. I'm Al Eisen. I invented an automatic toilet bowl cleaner called 2000 Flushes, so nobody would have to do that lousy job of scrubbing. And I put in enough chlorine bleach to keep your toilet's swimming pool clean. Not just for 1 month, up to 4 months. My 2000 Flushes work so well, why buy anything else?
Buy portable and in-ground spas below factory wholesale prices this weekend at Recreational Factory Warehouse. Save now on all spas like the Southwind Portable. It's 6'7" by 6'7" with lounge, bench, and bucket seating for 5. Comes in 6 different colors of genuine DuPont acrylic with 5-year warranty. Jacuzzi equipment with jet pump, blower, and heater. All self-contained in a decorative cedar cabinet. Complete with spa side control, thermal cover, and chemicals. This $2,500 spa is now only $1,650 this weekend at Recreational Factory Warehouse. See Saturday's paper for all our specials and hurry to Recreational Factory Warehouse, your spa superstore.
Maybe you think you don't need to join a fitness center to lose weight and keep in shape. Well, Living Well Fitness Center wants to help you keep your body looking good and feeling great. And now if you call 275-1580 within the next 30 minutes, you'll receive a complimentary 2-week membership with no obligations and no hassles. That's right. Just call 275-1580 within the next 30 minutes to win a free 2-week membership. What have you got to lose except weight? This offer good at all locations.
Looking good, feeling good, living well. Living Well Fitness Center.
We return now to divorce court. Mr. and Mrs. Winslow are returning from chambers, and we're awaiting the arrival of Judge Keene.
Well, we could ask for a continuance to give you and Brian a chance to talk things over with a counselor and see if you want to have a go at it again. What does that sound like to you?
Well, it sounds a lot less frightening than bam, you're married again.
I think it's great Sally's considering reconciliation. Lee! Honey, are you all right?
I'm
They're all worried
fine.
about
I'm
you.
fine. I'm just fine.
All right, be seated. Mr. Winslow, Miss Winslow, would you take your seats, please? Miss Feeling, what is the decision about the plaintiff's complaint?
Your Honor, plaintiff wishes to withdraw his complaint for divorce.
Ms. Bischoff, what about your client?
Your Honor, my client does not wish to withdraw, and we'd like to proceed with this case.
Sally, I thought...
All right. Call your next witness, then.
I'd like to recall Lee Winslow to the stand to conclude yesterday's cross-examination.
Step forward, please.
In what is obviously a surprise to Brian Winslow, his wife is proceeding with this divorce by calling her stepdaughter to the stand. When Lee Winslow fled the court yesterday, she was being questioned about the alleged adultery between Sally Winslow and Lee's ex-boyfriend, Kevin Hunter.
Be seated. You're still under oath. Young lady, do you know that you were almost arrested for running out of this court yesterday?
No, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't realize that. I want to apologize, but I'm ready to tell the truth now.
Go ahead.
Lee, why did you lie about seeing Sally in bed with Kevin Hunter?
Well, Sally, I'd like to say I don't hate you at all, and I'm sorry. It's just that my dad told me, he promised that him and Debbie were just friends, and that Sally was trying to get all of our money, and he needed help to get a divorce. And he wanted me to lie about Kevin and Sally being together.
Lee, you know that's not true.
Now, just a minute, Mr. Winslow.
He said that we needed some way to get Cassie and make sure we had her back. So he wanted me to, well, I started the fire. And I only started it in that trash can. so that Graham would look dangerous to Cassie. But it ended up getting out of hand. And when I told Dad the truth, he said it didn't matter. We had insurance, and it was okay. But I knew it wasn't okay.
Why did you run out of court yesterday instead of telling the truth then?
Because when I told the truth, when I said that I didn't really see Sally and Kevin together, my dad just yelled, and he pretended like he didn't even know what I was talking about. And that hurt me so much to hear him say that, not stand up for me. And I couldn't even look at him. I had to leave. I went driving for hours, and then finally I went home, and I saw a car in the driveway, and I thought it might be the police. So I snuck around back.
And what did you see?
I saw Debbie Leo,